There are three things to consider when planning your maternity photo shoot if you want to have the maternity photo shoot of your dreams. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to give you three things to consider when planning your maternity photo shoot. First thing to consider is choosing the right time. Timing is key. And honestly, there's a difference between booking a maternity photo shoot and scheduling a maternity photo shoot that I want to let you in on, right? The first thing is that when you book your maternity photo shoot, that's solidifying your photographer. So it's important that you book your maternity photo shoot as soon as possible, because the photographer you may want to use, availability may be very thin, and that will most likely lead to them not having the date that you want to schedule for and get your maternity photos taken. So you want to book your maternity photo shoot well in advance, like, if I want to be honest, in your first trimester, so that you and your photographer can work with each other to schedule a time within months 6 through 8 for your maternity photo shoot. The second thing to consider when planning a maternity photo shoot is the idea. Your pregnancy is unique to you and your husband, and this maternity photo shoot should capture portraits of your pregnancy journey. So it's important to work with your photographer to create an idea that is unique to you and what you felt, the emotions you want to see in your maternity portraits. Do not copy someone else's portraits. That is their story. That is their portraits for their story. You want to have portraits for your story. I cannot stress that enough. You want portraits for your story. And last but not least on the list of things to consider when planning your maternity photo shoot is choosing the right photographer. It's very important that you choose a photographer that takes the most weight off your plate. What do I mean by take the most weight off your plate? It's important to choose a photographer that takes care of all of the things for you that go into the maternity photo shoot, from hair, makeup, wardrobe, your idea, building a custom background for you, getting you an album made. All those things are things that you need to consider when choosing your maternity photographer. And I love to tell people that you need to choose the maternity photographer that takes the most weight off of your plate. And as a bonus, if you need help finding inspiration for your maternity photo shoot, I want to give you a free gift. It's a Maternity Idea Vault I created that has over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it that you can use for your maternity photo shoot as inspiration to create an idea that is unique to you and your husband. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, submit your email, grab that, and I will send it right over to you.